Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to earn Coinbase money. First, understand that Coinbase offers several straightforward ways to get started. You can earn by learning about new cryptocurrencies, participating in staking programs, or even by inviting friends. It's a great platform for both beginners and experienced users to grow their crypto holdings with minimal effort. One of the easiest ways to earn is through the Coinbase Earn program. Simply watch brief educational videos that explain different cryptocurrencies. After each video, you'll answer a few simple questions. If you answer correctly, you'll receive a small amount of that cryptocurrency directly into your account. It's a fantastic way to learn and earn simultaneously. Another excellent method is staking. When you stake your cryptocurrency, you're essentially locking it up to help secure the network and validate transactions. In return, you earn rewards, often a percentage of the amount you've staked. This can be a great way to generate passive income, with some assets offering annual returns of 3% to 5% or even higher. Finally, don't forget about referral programs. If you invite a friend to Coinbase and they buy or sell a certain amount of crypto, both you and your friend can receive a bonus, often $10 in Bitcoin. Keep an eye out for other promotions and special events too. Always read the specific terms for each earning method to maximize your rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.